In primetime news this evening, air quality crisis. Police Criminal Records Department ordered closed as cops and civilians get sick in the building. Strike. Court reporters down tools to protest new requirements. Not me. Doctor seeks to clear name, saying he's wrongfully accused of rape.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has our preview. Herman?
Thanks, Janella. Well, inflation figures for last month are in. Prices moved by less than 1%. So what were the main contributors and what does this mean for the BOJ's target? All the details later in the business day.
And from Herman, I go to Spencer Darlington. What's happening in sports?
Thank you very much, Archie. Well, there was inclement weather around the town this afternoon. It brought about some lightning, and that caused a scary moment in a Manning Cup game. We'll give you the details later.
There is also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what is your reaction to the stance of the Montego Bay mayor to deny a gay rights group use of the city's cultural center?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.